Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable column and row headings in Excel. Actually quite simple, but without the headings you sometimes feel a little bit lost. So I open Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, in this template for Microsoft I have neither the letters of the columns nor the number of the rows. How do I activate them? I simply switch to the tab View, go to the group Show and check the box Headings. This way the letters and the numbers come back and I can work with Excel as usual. Really simple, but since I recently faced this problem myself, I wanted to show you how to solve it. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.